In this video, I will be showing you how to make letterhead in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking on the search bar on the templates page and typing in letterhead. I'll browse through the available options until I find a style that works for me. I'm going to select this minimalist bakery template and then click Customize this template to open it in the editor. To update the branding, I'll click on the main heading and type in my business name, Aura. Now, I'll head up to the text color tool to choose a darker, more professional shade for the name. Since this is for a different type of business, I'll select the small icon at the bottom and then go to the Elements tab on the left. I'll search for a food bowl outline to find a graphic that fits my brand better. Once I find the right one, I'll click to add it to the page, change its color to match my heading, and then resize it and drag it into the bottom corner. I'll delete the old icon to keep the design clean. Finally, I'll select the contact information block at the top and shift it slightly to ensure the whole layout is perfectly aligned and balanced. And just like that, you have a custom professional letterhead ready to go.